Hey guys, quick video. Just have a quick package that I want to share with you all. So if you just give me a minute, I'll open it up and I'll be right back. So I ordered this on the 2nd of December on Amazon. And it's a 5-piece nail plate stamping. I don't think it's a set. I think it's just, well, I'm not really sure because I gotta open it up. So, and then here is my receipt. It does not say how much I paid for it, but if you'd like to know, let me know and I can get that for you. I should have got that beforehand. I apologize. And here they are. Let me go ahead and open it and I'll be right back. So, if you guys don't know, this is one of the newer plates that I received. Sorry, I was literally just playing with it. So, and I'm loving this one so far. I was just playing around with some stamping. And the stamping plate is, I just love the designs. Water marble designs. So anyway, so here are the 5 plates. Number 1 looks like this. And again, I got these off Amazon. Look at these beautiful designs. I hope you guys can see that. Look at the detail. There we go. Look at that. Gorgeous. Beautiful plate. Next one we have is this one. Look how pretty. Kind of border. I think those are these designs that look like borders right here. Would be really pretty on the nails. Oh, I love it. Beautiful designs. Gorgeous. Third plate I have to share with you. Looks like this. Kind of the mandala designs in those adult coloring books that most of us have by now. Beautiful. And let me know down below if you'd like to see another video with me kind of peeling. I can take off the, I don't really like to take the film off until I'm ready to use the plate. But if you'd like for me to take the film off all the plates so that you can get a better look, please let me know. And I'll be more than happy to. Okay, next plate. That's the plate number. Beautiful. That's a cool design. I like that. Nice. And the last plate that I have to share with you looks like this. Look at that. Oh, focus. No. Uh-oh. There we go. Look at that flower. That kind of look like roses right there. Beautiful kind of leaf designs. Beautiful. Oh, I love this one. Kind of water marble effects. Nice. I love these designs. Very, very cool. Intricate. Gorgeous. Lots of detail, which I am loving. So again, thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these plates. I'll be more than happy to give you a closer look of them. Please let me know if you would like that. And I'll be more than happy to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.